Happy New Year, January 1st, 2020. Wow, I am in shock and awe that it's 2020. Happy New Year. I hope that you celebrated last night with friends, with family, and what a powerful day to start making those New Year's resolutions and intentions for the next year. We don't have a choice about creating. Each one of us is going to create this next 365 days. What we do get a choice about is, will it be created by design or by default? The default setting is when we're experiencing similar results over and over again. Similar results in our health and our physical well-being, in our relationship status, or how we're showing up in our relationships, where we're just inside these same patterns and habits. That would be default. The other choice is by design, where we get to choose and we get to lay down this new pattern for this new year. What would you love to create in 2020? Imagine it's December 31st, 2020, and you've had the best year ever. What would be happening in your life? In your health, your relationships, with your career, how you're expressing yourself creatively. What would you love on your calendar this year with your time freedom, your financial freedom? Start painting the picture of what you would love. Most people spend more time planning a weekend away than they do their year. My encouragement to you is to take some time over the next day or two and really get some clarity about what it is that you would love. Over the next few weeks, we'll uncover some of the things that sabotage our results and what you can do to really set yourself up for success this year so that you can have the best year ever. I would love to also extend a personal invitation to you to join me in either Edmonton or Calgary later this month for the Vision Workshop, Mastering Your Results, where we spend a full day working on getting that clarity and supporting you in, again, setting yourself up to have the best year ever. So take a look below for those links. Would love to have you there. Happy New Year from myself, from my family, and here is to your success.